Okay, here's side B of lesson 49. It's like the homework side, but we did it in class as part of our lesson. The first question says, Megan bought a pencil and a notebook at the school store. How much money did she spend? Well, you know me, I like to circle what she bought. So I circled the pencil at 23 cents and notebook 47 cents. And then I made a number sentence, 23 cents plus 47 cents. I added it together, and you get 70 cents. Number 2, use the pictograph to answer the questions. How many poems did the children in room 4 write? Well, you have to make sure with pictographs you check and see what the picture is worth. Each of these pictures is worth 5 poems. So that's 5, 10, 15 poems that they read in room 4. Which class wrote the most poems? Everything's nice and straight in the pictograph, so you can see which one comes over the farthest, and that would be room 2. So I wrote room 2. How many more poems did the children in room 4 write than the children in room 3? So you can see there was 2 more in room 4 than in room 3. So each one's worth 5, so that's actually 10 more poems. So make sure you're counting by 5s on this one. I have 2 $10 bills, 4 $100 bills, and 7 $1 bills. So, you know me, I like to make a place value chart. And what number? Where should I put 2 $10 bills? In the 10 spot. 4 $100 bills, 4 in the hundreds, and 7 $1 bills, so 7 in the ones. So how much money is that? $427. And make sure you put the dollar sign first. Even though we say it after the number, we still write it before the number. So it looks like this. $427. Which line segments are horizontal? Remember, horizontal is this way, like you're lying down on your bed. And that is C and D and A and E. Remember to put capital letters to represent the line segments and put a line over top of them. Which line segments are vertical? Vertical is straight up and down, like you're standing up. And that would be BA or AB, it doesn't matter which order, and DE or ED. Okay, like that. Capital letters, lines over top. And which line is oblique? Oblique is slanty, right? So BC is that one. And we write it like that. Okay, what's the perimeter of that shape? Well, we add up all the sides to find the perimeter. So that's 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeters plus 1 centimeter plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. What does that all add up to? Well, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 4 is 11. So the perimeter is 11 centimeters. And you do a little C and a little M to represent centimeters. What was the date 2 days ago? Well, the date I'm doing this is 1/7/21. So the date 2 days ago for me would be, you don't count today, you skip and count, right? 6/5. So that's 2 days ago would be the 5th. So January 5th, 2021. We're still in this year even though we went back 2 days, it's still 2021. I actually wanted you to write it out with the actual word to practice writing January with a capital letter and all that good stuff. Commas. Okay, what will be the date 1 month from today? So don't use the 5th as your starting point now. I'm using the 7th as my starting point. That's today. So 1 month is February 7th, 2021. Now, you may be doing this on a different day, so you'll need to adjust. Find the sums using mental computation. 78 plus 12. Well, I know 7 and 10, the 7 and the 1 are really 70 and 10. So that equals 80. right? And then I'm going to add that to my ones. 8 plus 2 is 10, so I'm going to make that a 10. So it's really 80 plus 10, which is 90. 23 plus 40. This one I can just do in my head. I don't even need to write my little connector lines. 20 and 40 make 60, and 3 and 0 make 3. Because it was not under 9, under 10, I should say, I could just add my 10s and add my 1s, and it worked out. So this one was a 10, so I had to think a little bit more because that gets added to the 10s. So that's where it gets a little tricky. Okay, 25 plus 43. So I know 20 and 40 is 60, and 5 and 3 is 8. So the answer is 68. Again, that was under 10, so I didn't need to make my lines, so I could just see it, right? Add my 10s, add my 1s. All in my head. Mental computation. All right, bye-bye.